It's telling me there'll be better days.
You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another you in a minute. You'll be here in a minute. Okay, so I want to use one of these 3 shades down the center. I think I finally decided on this middle one here, this duochrome like bluish pink purple. But in order for a duochrome to really stand out, especially a Huda Beauty duochrome, you need to put a base underneath it that's, you know, like one of the colors of the duochrome, like especially the one that you want to stand out. So I am going to first go in with this NYX, it's a lip liner actually, in Edge Pink, and just put that on my lid. And this is also nice because you get to kind of carve out your crease at the same time. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with a brush, but I think I might have forgotten one. So, and I'm gonna go in with that middle purple duochrome shade right over where we put that lip liner, or whatever sort of like pink base you want to use. If you want to use purple, be my guest. I was gonna use this like ColourPop lip liner, but because like these duochrome shades in this palette aren't very impressive upon swatching, but over a base like that, girl, look at how pretty that looks. We haven't even added any Fix Plus yet. Or got in with my finger. Ooh, what the hell is that? Okay, so let me go in on the other side. Okay, so because this palette doesn't have anything darker than the purple we already used, I'm going to use one of my ColourPop eyeshadows. I'm just trying to figure out which one. I guess I'll stick with like the bright purple. So this is 143. It's kind of like a pinkish purple, I'm gonna say. And some sort of pencil brush. And just I draw a V from the corner of my eye inwards and blend it in with that lid shade. I'm just laying the product down first. Then I'm going to go in with my M433 and kind of blend that out just by patting it up and down. And then I'll swipe from outer corner inwards and then slowly bring it in. So now let's add some Fix Plus to this bitch. Ooh. I have a few products from my BoxyCharm and Ipsy that I want to try. So this is going to be a subscription box try-on. I got this Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. So it has, as you guessed it, two sides. One is a very thick crayon looking eyeliner that looks gray. Oh, well, it is called slate, so it's very possible that it is gray. Yep, definitely gray. Okay, and that's what we got already. Okay, off to a great start. And the other side is like a felt tip eyeliner. It could be a little thick. Let's see. Okay, it's actually not bad. It's not like too liquidy. It's a nice formula. And the felt tip pen isn't like too thick like I thought it might possibly be. It's going over the shadows easily. Can I still do it? Can I? I don't know. I'm getting old these days. Okay, let us highlight the brow bone. And then there was light. I'm feeling like it is a Becca Pearl day. That's what I'm honestly feeling. So we're gonna go with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl. Yeah, I just really love this with like purple looks because it's just like that neutral white that I think looks so beautiful with it. So I'm gonna throw on some mascara after I curl my lashes. I'm not gonna forget today. Oh, I still got a lower lash line to do. But here's the thing. I don't have the right eyeliner down here. Let me see what I got in my collection down here. It really sucks when your makeup collection is divided into two places. Let me try this. Needs to be sharpened. I'm gonna give this eye pencil another chance. I tried it once before and I did not like it. Hollywood and Vine Cold Crayon in purple. Still not really loving it. It's like barely showing up. Oh no. I'm gonna have to get a better eyeliner than that. I will, however, do the shadows for the lower lash line. So I'm gonna start out with this like pinkish coral right here. And then I'm gonna go in with that purple with a hint of pink in it. However, come back when my makeup is finished and show you the completed look. And yeah, so I will be back. Okay, so for lips, what did I do? I decided to go with my Marc Jacobs Marc Lip Cream in Clara, which is a pink, and then I went over it with this Galactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm in Periwinkle. But I've been like trying to sharpen it and I can't get it any sharper than that. It's bizarre. Like, I'm getting really frustrated because I needed to use more. I'm gonna have to try a different sharpener. But anyways, and then I highlighted my inner corner with Becca Pearl, and then I used this Ciate Everyday Vacay setting spray, and we're gonna use some more And it smells good. Our look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am usually like not the biggest fan of purples, but I've actually been like growing to love them more. It's like every time I do them, I fall in love with them a little bit more. And yeah, this allowed me to include a lot of pink as well, so I think that helps out with it, but I still think it came out really pretty. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.